Everyone, this is K-pop Live, simply reactor-based team in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction and video sa Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Ay, ano
Ay,
to?
mga puso, ito nga
Wait
pala
lang.
si Julian Santos eh.
May chemistry ba yung kanilang ano? May chemistry ba ang kanilang...
Tutupain or totropahin? Wow!
May chemistry ba tong si Japs tsaka si David before?
Kenchan.
Ito wala eh. Wala naman. Hindi ko natin si David.
Si Ken kasi very ano siya, very
Really hindi siya magsismile. Bakit yun?
he's really nice. Tsaka yung parang palagi siya smiling face. Ganun.
Ayaw sa
Tapos,
smile face?
hindi. Ano ka ba? Hindi, ano. Basta totrobahin ko si Ken. Jennie from Blackpink. Jojowain o totrobahin.
Jojoa. Ganda niya eh. Really.
Really pretty, cute, and she's really good at performing. Go.
And then, Park Seo-joon.
Oh my
Ah,
gosh.
siya, no?
Oh my gosh. Top. Jojowain.
May kasi ka.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mabait din si ano, si Japs.
backstage, nasa backstage si Barbie Forteza.
Yes,
She's right
pakita
here.
natin.
Oo, no?
Ay, hindi pala si Barbie. Mabait din si Julian. Wait lang. Tingnan ko. Nag-message ka ngayon. Nakita ko sa inyo ang connection.
Shira Diaz. Totropahin o jojowain.
Hindi ko sure. Yung
Ano ba yun?
Hello?
Depende.
Pare, charot.
Ano, totropahin mo muna.
Wala. Hindi ko na makita.
Totropahin ulit.
Wait, wait.
Thank you.
Ayun na.
Talay mo.
So, we can this mic.
Kailangan pa yung talay ko talay.
Yun nga, sabi ko, effective na.
Thank you talaga. Magaling ko, wow. Thank you.
Talay mo.
Kailangan pa yung talay ko talay.
Yun nga, sabi ko, effective na.
Thank you talaga. Magaling ko, wow.
Chismis nila to. Chismis, naalala niyo to. Naalala niyo to kung anong chismis na to. Aminin, chismis nila to. Diba? Kung sino mo matipid talaga kay Dilo. Oo, diba? Dito yung chismis nila. Oh, naunsa ba? Charing. Okay, check mo. Back! Oh. Nagtingin na sila. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead. That's when I did stand pinalo. That's when I did stand. It's not so really just really akala niyo. I love SB Pixel. I love him. Anyways. Ay, malapit tayo expire.
Inspire. Eh di mag-inspire na lang tayo lahat. Inspire. Mag-inspire na lang tayo lahat. Ha? Lesson is learn. Lesson is learn. I think I love you.
Ayun na nga.
Pero filler ano? Sabi mo na filler. Totoo naman ah.
Sige na. Okay na. Okay na. Thank you.
Thank you.
David. What is this? Ay, wait. Pambasagin natin. Sa matter health and wellness, weight control, fitness, the newest and verse of life, the life ko. Una pa na ganito. Vito was honored as his best actress Frank and Drama Series at the 10th Latin Stylist National Media Awards 2025. Nakikita na sila magkasama ni Barbie dito, right? This was in Lasal, if I'm not mistaken. Tignan natin. Pakinggan ko ng speech.
Sanya ka, Franz! Good luck sa
Pulang araw siya or angkay? Tuwang-tuwa si pulang araw. Anong speech niya ginoo dito? Gusto ko marinig yung speech niya.
Hey guys, fancy.
Anong speech niya?
And now I'm here as the best primetime drama series actor. Wow. It was funny because like all
Pakinggan natin yung kanyang
like people would criticize me after.
speech.
Paano ko romante? Sana hindi na naging actor. Sana puro pa cute, di ba? Ganyan. At least cute. I am up here because I had a dream. And I didn't let anything or anyone stop me from chasing my dreams. There were a lot of sacrifices, a lot of challenges, a lot of failures along the way. Pero, nandito tayo ngayon. Diba? So, yun lang, just have to keep on going, keep on working hard. And sa lahat ng mga nandito, if you have a dream, please sacrifice for it. Please. Favor lang. And don't let anything or anyone stop you from chasing your dreams.
Dito, no?
And learn every day and stay consistent. It won't be easy at the start,
Hindi siya nagbabasa.
but if you keep on working hard, if you keep on studying, stay consistent, try to learn every day, 1% every day lang, pwede na. You'll get there.
Hindi siya nagbabasa.
Thank you so much again to Platinum Star National Media Awards for cuteness, for my hard work.
Yung mga sigawan ba estudyante? Mag-aral kayo dyan. Hindi yung puro ganyan. Mag-aral kayo.
Also thank you to GMA7 for
Saan dalahin?
believing in me, to my Spartan family. Miss Annette, Miss Joy Marcelo, Miss John Navarro, to my handlers up. Thank you so much. And to my
This is a
tour
bride.
manager Arnold Legafria, who else? Of course, the whole production team of Pulang Araw, kila Miss Edwin, kila Miss Shireen, salamat sa pag-aantay sa akin kapag ako late.
Ah.
Sorry, pero ngayon okay naman kahit paano, di ba? So, yun, and of course to my director, Dominic Zapata, Direk, I super appreciate you. You know, like for me, si Direk, I think he is
Anyways, ituloy natin to ang reaction video natin. This is Kivo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.